it's me, Cat Guider, and I am going to be playing the piano.
Yes, but that's a keyboard.
I don't care.
Alright.
I don't care, Sour Patch Kid.
I'm not named Sour Patch Kid. My name's Sour Patch Bear. Isn't it beautiful? She really likes this.
Shut up.
Okay.
Jeez.
That flower's my mortal enemy.
Yeah, if you watch our video, you'll find out why.
Dude, jump some of the other settings.
I don't know how.
Go to voice and just type in the numbers. Okay, I'll do it for you.
Okay.
What do you want, next? Hold on, now.
Okay, guys. We changed it, so.
So you're probably killing everybody's ears. We're gonna have to put in a headphone warning.
What the heck?
Paused.
So, guys, here you go. Randomly.
It's like going like this. Wow! Oh!
Go!
Wow. What the heck is this?
It's an owl. That's an owl. Bear!
What is that? No. What is that?
That's bubbles or water. You took a picture! Congrats! Clapping. That sounded like one of the whales. Was it you? Was it you?
Look.
What? Sounds like a heart. No, hold on. No, this is how you do that. Wait, where was it? It's like this. Okay, stop playing. What? This is how you sound like a heart. And then you got jump scared. That's how you got. That's your heart while playing FNAF. This is your heart while playing FNAF. And then you got died. Okay, so I bet Cat Guider, stop! Zola! Cat Guider!
What?
I want you to play a creepy song. Well, none. No, also you can do this. Okay, I can't play it. Careful.
Okay, now.
Hold on! Shh. Go!
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you can play a piano as terrible as me.
It's a keyboard!
Whatever, bye!
Bye!